gagamitin natin. O yung after niya ang gagamitin natin. But before that, I want you to line up here. Say hello. Say good afternoon. Good afternoon po. Very good. Okay. Then let's wait for the customers so that we can take their orders. Now, ikaw muna first. Alam, mag-order ata si mami mo. Say good afternoon po. Lakasan mo. Good afternoon po. Can I take your order?
Here's my order, Ellie.
Oh, that's your order daw, Ate Ali. Thank you, ma'am. Say thank you. Then, click mo to. Sige. Bubuhatin ka ni Kuya George kahit medyo nangihina siya. No, tulong mo sana, George.
This one.
Click mo na yan. Then, after that is, you can click the, you can copy this number. Okay. Very good. One. Where's the one? Ito. 8 at saka 1. Click mo to. 8 at saka 1. Very good. Then, enter. Very good. Tapos, tell your mom her bill. Ma'am, your total bill po is 124. Ma'am? Oh, very good.
Wait lang.
Okay, wait lang daw. Sabi ni customer. Customer natin yung mother mo. So,